Hello everyone, here's Frank. Today we are going to talk about the influence of color on the mood of photos in the medium of photography. So photography as an art form inherited from painting has been greatly developed in the more than 100 years after its birth. Especially in this information age, countless photos are uploaded to the internet to share with people every day. As a visual art, photography is undoubtedly an emotional link with the audience through its own picture information. In this process, color will undoubtedly have a huge effect. We sometimes see a great photo and we are infected by the emotions in it. Sometimes when we see a photo, we are excited by the enthusiasm in it. These emotions conveyed through photos are largely due to the color of the picture. In this presentation, I will use color science to analyze how the colors in a photo affect the mood of audience. This may have a guiding effect on people's photography creation in the future. So the next part is the effect of color on photo mood. In today's digital age, most people take color photos in their daily lives. These photos often contain a lot of color information to help photographers express a story in the photos. Imagine, have you ever been deeply touched by a photo? One of the reasons why photos can make us feel emotional is the help of color. This article believes that color has a huge impact on photos. Even in some photo, using different colors to express will produce completely different emotions. In the next part, I will divide colors into two parts, cold and warm, and try to analyze the emotions represented by each color. In the end, I will use my own artifact to prove my point. So cold and warm colors. The two main categories of colors are warm and cool. Warm colors include red, orange, yellow, and so on. The cool colors include green, blue, purple, and so on. Both colors have their own emotions. Warm colors are more active and emotional. They can easily arouse the viewer's emotions and enable the viewers to bring himself into the story in the photo. In our daily life, warm colors are often less common than cool colors. This also makes warm colors more attractive, which is one of the reasons why photos at sunset and sunrise, as well as autumn colors, are so popular. The cool color represents calmness. This color is easy to relax and encourage people to think. When a story requires people to think calmly instead of bringing the audience into the photo, cool colors are a more reasonable choice. In addition, cool colors can also represent some sad stories. As an article said, are you looking for a peaceful and calming environment? You might consider using green or blue. Individual color analysis. In this part, I will select the three typical colors of blue, red, and green for analysis. We start with blue first. This presentation believes that blue can usually convey a feeling of calm, loneliness, and even fear. Therefore, when we watch horror movies, some pictures are usually made up of dark blue. However, blue can also give us a sense of calm and tranquility. Different shades of blue can give people different feelings. Darker tones are more likely to bring ominous pre-emotions and drama, while lighter blues can bring people relaxed emotions. Red is one of the strongest colors. It can bring emotions such as passion, anger, and speed. Because red has an extremely powerful color appeal, the red that appears in the photo will be extremely obvious. It is a color that works well when creating composition based on color contrast, especially when used with another primary color. Imagine, will the red clothes in Spanish bullfighting ignite your passion? Green is considered a cool color, but it does not have a negative meaning of blue tone. This is because green is the richest color we see in nature. It represents renewal and life, with a feeling of comfort and optimism. Whenever spring comes, when we go out to see green, the joy of life will always appear in our hearts. Green is a familiar and a soothing color. Because it represents the world of life, it creates a sense of peace for those of us who like to spend time in nature. In this sense, green is the warmest, cool color. About the artifact, from the same photo I took to different color versions, you can clearly find the different emotions expressed in the photo. The first one uses a lot of warm colors, showing a warm and healing feeling from the afternoon. The second one is mainly in cool colors. This shows the coolness and loneliness of winter. So conclusion, color is one of the most profound themes in photography, but it carries such a strong emotion. So it is necessary to think about its characteristics as consciously as possible. We can find that color can undoubtedly easily affect the emotion that a photo wants to express. As a visual art, photography has more than just a recording function. How to use color and convey the emotions the photographer wants to express to the viewer through the color of the photo is what every artist who wants to use photography as a medium needs to think about. So, and this is my references, and that's all. Thank you.